$10 million with crypto? How to retire early with cryptocurrency. Hey guys! So yes, there's a risk you could end up with nothing by investing in cryptos for your retirement plan. However, there's also a chance you could earn 10 times or even 100 times by doing so. So what could you do to earn money instead of losing it? Well, that's what I'm going to show you today, guys. I'll share with you 5 strategies to have a successful early retirement plan. Also, I'll tell you what you need to be aware of, including risks you should avoid and choices to make while investing. Before we get into this, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications, and check our gifts and bonuses in the description. Just keep watching to understand how to become a millionaire and never waste your time working usual jobs again. Is it possible to become a millionaire by investing in cryptocurrencies? There's no need to doubt it. The history of Bitcoin, Ether, and other cryptocurrencies show us that it's possible to get rich investing in them and retire as early as possible. The question isn't about if it's possible to become rich with cryptos, but about how you're going to do this. Because let's be honest, if you choose the wrong strategy to invest, you can lose more than you earn. But if you choose to invest smartly, then for sure, wealth will be the result. That's why we'll show you 5 strategies to invest successfully in cryptocurrencies and become millionaires with the possibility of early retirement. First strategy, be wary. Our strategy today is to be wary. Cryptocurrencies really can help you retire early, but you need to be cautious and avoid putting everything at risk. Because of their volatility, it's difficult to find a retirement plan in the United States offering cryptocurrency investments, for example. It means you have to do it by yourself without the middleman. To make it less risky, remember to invest a small percentage of your portfolio, because investing in cryptos isn't about how much money you put in them. It's all about which asset you choose and when you're putting your money into them. If you choose the right asset at the right time, you can profit by even making small investments. You should be wary of investing more than 10%, especially if you're just starting out. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency isn't an investment in the same way a stock is. They don't pay interest or dividends. Your gains depend entirely upon its price increasing significantly. That's why the second strategy may help with this concern. However, remember there's a difference between being cautious with money and being closed off to new opportunities. And we're here to help you find these opportunities and be open to them. Second strategy, choose the right asset. Those who bought Bitcoin and Ether in their beginnings made one of the best choices in their life. We cannot say the same thing about those who bought Dogecoin expecting to become rich as much as those who invested in Bitcoin and Ether. So when you choose the coin you're going to invest in, the real secret to profit is to think in the long term. Talking about this, Cardano is a good example. It's over $2.40 at the time I'm recording this video. However, the market is bullish about its future. Cardano has a large project involving smart contracts, decentralization, and scalability. The whole thing behind it is big and prominent. Following the example, if you decide to buy Cardano thinking to make profit in 2022 or 2023, your strategy won't be as efficient as it could be if you decide to hold it for several years. If your wish is to profit in 5 or 10 years, focus on the long term. That's when the magic may happen. Then you need to be aware of choosing the right cryptocurrency, analyzing the whole project behind it, and visualizing what it will be worth in the future. Third strategy, analyze some predictions. Choosing the right strategy is also based on predictions about prices. Look, the crypto market isn't easy to predict, but it's possible to have an average of how much a coin will be worth in the next few months or even years. It's not only the cryptocurrency's network system you should be aware of. Their volatility requires special attention because sometimes you'll need to sell to avoid major risks. Basically, you'll be able to recognize when it is the right time to sell some of your assets if you look at the price predictions. For example, you must understand how price resistance works and how it can affect the increase or decrease projections. A speedy climbing price doesn't mean you're in a good scenario. Maybe it means you should sell your assets before the price falls down again. So guys, before we go to our 4th strategy today, remember to hit the like button to help us out and let us know your comments down below if your retirement plan involves investing in cryptocurrencies. Let's go ahead. 4th strategy, find your risk tolerance. To understand how long you're able to hold an asset, you need to find out your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance is how you're going to feel or react when you've lost a lot of money, and also how your financial situation will be by losing it. Investors who are more risk averse might set the limit between 1 and 2% of investments in cryptocurrencies for their retirement plan. And if that's your case, it's better to take profits rather rather than to hold on. Never put more in than you can afford to lose. And selling your cryptocurrencies can be a good option as well, according to some scenarios. Fifth strategy, sell your assets at the right time. Then the logical conclusion is you need to understand the best time to sell your assets. Of course, building wealth depends on holding cryptocurrencies until it has a greater value with time, but some of them can have a huge success today, decrease their price tomorrow, and never recover again. That's the reason why predictions matter, and you must be wary about your risk tolerance. If your risk tolerance is lower than your investment, selling while the prices are high may be the best option for you. Then you can profit and also avoid some future losses. So yes, guys, it's possible to become a millionaire by investing in cryptocurrencies, but it also involves strategies so you don't lose the game instead of dominating it. What you need to keep in mind is always be cautious and always think a lot before making investment decisions. Make an analysis about which cryptocurrencies you may invest in, make your own predictions, hold it as long as you can, and sell at the right time. This can save your life, your money, and your future. Also, check our gifts in the description. They certainly will help in your early retirement plan and give you some advantages while investing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any important crypto videos, and I'll see you in the next one.